Good evening again. Hi. Welcome again. I can see that we've had a lot of people, about 30 of you online, and then we've got maybe another dozen people sitting in the classroom here. So it looks like we have got a record audience for this our first hybrid meeting of the Astronomical Society of Botswana. So it looks like it's going to be exciting. Our speaker, I'm sure most of you were there for the first presentation. Our second presentation is by Dr. Tshipa. Dr. Tshipa is a senior lecturer at the University of Botswana in the Department of Physics. He has given talks to the Astronomical Society before. I remember his first talk on black holes, and another talk on multiverses. So I would say he's a veteran in presentations to the Astronomical Society. So let's see what he has for us. His title is Dinaledi, Tswana-ethnoastronomy. Astronomy. So that sounds very exciting. We will look forward to the presentation. Over to you, Dr. Tshipa.
Thank you very much, Mela. So we will begin our talk, but I just wanted to say I'm not really an expert in stars or astronomy. I'm a theoretical physicist. I just have a passion for stars and culture. So I will start with the usual thing that we know, which is the moon and of course our sun. The main reason why I brought this one up is mainly to appreciate how we used it as a timekeeping device. For example, the moon, which has a cycle of around 28 days, we call it Moedi or Moedi or Kgwedi. And this Kgwedi is the same word that we use for a month. So the moon is like our timekeeping device. And also when we look at the sun, when we see it reach a certain position that it reached some time previously, then we say a day has gone by. So similarly, just like moon, we call the moon Kgwedi. We also call month Kgwedi. Our sun, we call it the Letsatsi. A day, also we call it the Letsatsi. And this is just our location in our galaxy. This is like a city for our sun, and this is where we sit. And when we, because this galaxy is like a little bit pancake shaped and a little bit spiral. When you are embedded in it, and you say you look up, you then see a certain band which seems to be a little bit more illuminated, with a little bit of dust here and there, which is our perspective or our viewpoint of our galaxy. And in Setswana, we call it Moletlanyi or Moletlanyi. This Moletlanyi, it's like a line. It's like a line, and Tladi is lightning. So it's like a little bend, like for where lightning is. Or Moletlanyi, to lala is to sleep, or to sleep, to sleep. So it is like where the lightning sleeps, something of that sort. So we call it Moletlanyi or Moletlanyi. And then when we go back to the family of our solar system, we then have what some people would call a star, evening star and the morning star. And just like many cultures, we then had this star or planet or celestial body in the sky, which likes to be very close to the sun when we see it, and it's very, very bright. Sometimes it follows the sun, sometimes the sun follows it. When it follows the sun, that means it will set just after the sun has set. So when it happens to be like that evening star, we then refer to it as kopa dilalelo. To kopa is to ask for, and dilalelo is a dinner or something like that. So it is a star that we see when we are having a little dinner. And a few months after that, it will be in front of the sun, or leading the sun, such that in the early hours of the morning, it is the one that appears just before sunrise. And as soon as we see it, morning has come and darkness has fled. So we then call this morning star Mphatalatsani. Mphatalatsani meaning the scatterer, he who scatters darkness away. So this is our Venus, which is not a star, but a planet. And then we have a group of stars. We don't know how many they are, maybe 7, maybe 6, maybe 8 or 9, something of that sort. The Pleiades, we call it Selemela. Selemela because when it appeared in the eastern skies, then we know it is time for plowing or planting. Polema is to plant. So Selemela is a group of stars that will show us the time for planting. And we also have giraffes or the tuta, which are stars which appear in the southern skies. We have the Southern Cross, these are four, and Alpha and Beta Centauri, and the Southern Cross is a we call it the male giraffes, the tuta tonanyana. And if you look somewhere here, and this line that is going here, it is going towards the south. So travelers at night would look at the tuta, and then would look at how the tuta are, because they always rotate around the southern pole, and then they will get their bearing and know where south is, and therefore they will know their direction as they travel. This is the same thing, male giraffes, and these are the female giraffes, Alpha and Beta Centauri. And we also have a Sirius, which we think it is a Kgogamasigo. Kgogamasigo, to kgoga is to pull, and masigo are nights. So it is the star that shines bright throughout through the night. So it is a Kgogamasigo. But you know, we wish to Lokushata and us to further do some bit of more research into this, because there are some people who feel that the Kgogamasigo is actually Jupiter, looking at maybe the brightness of Jupiter. We also have Dimtsa, and Dikolobe. Dimtsa are dogs, and Dikolobe are pigs. So this is what we see when we look at Orion, the hunter. When we look at his belt stars, we see the Kolobe peaks, and those stars that make up the sword here, we call them Dimtsa. So it is like a Dimtsa, or dogs are chasing the pigs. So this is still Orion, and when we look at I don't know if it is the left shoulder or something, and the other one, we see Betelgeuse and Rigel. These are Makakala. I think Harold mentioned them. And then there is a group of stars, the dolphin, which of course other cultures, when they look at it, because they have dolphins, they may see dolphins, but here we don't have dolphins. We have a Mupani worm. So when we look at it, we see a Mupani worm. So we call them a pani. And then we also have a canopus, which we call Naka. Naka is a horn. So if you look here, these are the dogs, and these are the pigs. And then if you go down a bit, you'll see canopus, which is a naka. And naka, as we were saying, it also its position or its appearance also signified something. In this case, it was for sheep to start getting it on a little bit. So as we can see, as we move around the sun, around the sun throughout the year, we go to different points or places in our solar system, and we have a view of different stars. So these positions of stars give us the time. So it is like space giving us time, or space-time. And this is the young brother to Naka, Senakani, or little horn. This is Kokamasiho here, and this is the little brother to Canopus, Akena, and they also have shoes. Naka and his brother Senakani. They have shoes, and this is the little brother of Naka. We know that it is a fast rotating star, and because of its high rotation, it bulges a bit. And this is how it looks like. And this is it's a relative size to other stars. And this is our sun, and this is Senakani compared to our sun. And the Magellanic clouds are the shoes of Senakani and his brother Naka. These are the shoes for the little one, and these are the shoes for the big one, Naka. They have their shoes, and you know, in Setswana we also have a saying, or a little riddle, call them the tamalakani, a riddle. Mosese Wahambang Kati Marantata. I don't know how to translate it, but the dress of some artistic lady is full of spots and speckles. So that is the riddle, and the answer is stars. And I was very much enjoying the fact that they used a woman to represent the stars, because that is where we get all the raw elements that we have in life to have life. So I thought it was a bit fitting. And we also have Tswana. Tswana is kiss me. So when the little ones, like these ones, were getting a bit naughty, and when we were expecting them to be a bit asleep, they sneak out and go and see some other ones. And when they see this farmer lot, they will say, no, quickly do the thing, let me rush. So we call it Tsuna, kiss me. And as we can see, it is a little bit dirty. So this is an artistic or an artist's impression of a formalot. And there are 3 stars in this system. The other sibling is not here, a little bit further away. But these are the 2 close siblings. And just around Motswana, we see it is quite dirty. We are not sure if it is because of a planet which was orbiting Motswana, and there was some collision, and it ended up like this, or this is actually the beginning of a formation of a protoplanets and planets and stuff like that. And this is where I stop. Thank you very much. So
Yeah. I think you can just field questions.
Oh, yes. I don't know how I'm going to hear those from.
Now that is. Can you show people have hands up or something? I can stop sharing, right? I say thank you with the representation by Deborah and Tato. Deborah and Tato. I think Deborah and Tato have thanks for a good presentation.
Oh, all right.
I don't know, maybe we have questions from the audience here. Because I don't know whether the online audience can participate.
I've got a question.
Oh, yes.
In Eva Meera's book, he talks about a lot of the stars and planets. He talks about from the basalt. Are their names similar to what you were saying?
Oh, they're a bit different.
All different.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
It's like the Chinese are different to us.
yes. Because they have theirs is in their language. Yes. And they I don't know how you say it. Their stories or beliefs are a bit different from ours. Yes.
Thank you.
Tswana, where do you see it? Where must I look to see in Tswana?
Oh, formal. Oh, I don't know. Maybe you will see
It's one of the bright stars in the north when you look north. I need to start off to say it's almost on its own, where there's not much else around in the north, and not too far from Memphis.
Okay.
all right. Okay.
Yes, the question there is Aman says, how can you use local constellation to find supercluster and supercluster complexes?
I've just been advised to tell people online if they've got questions, they can type them on the chat, and then we'll try to answer them because we cannot hear voice here.
Oh, no, but this is a different. I have a question here from a man. It is a very difficult question, actually. It is. It has got nothing much to do with the presentation here. How can you use a local constellation to find superclusters and supercluster complexes?
Pass it over to him.
I don't know, because if it is a local group, I don't know. Probably you might have to look at its dynamics, how it is going, because it will have some bit of a gravitational interaction with the nearby ones. So maybe just by looking at it, you can look at its dynamics and try to work out the forces. Those forces should also be commensurate with the mass of the tagging object. So that should give you both the magnitude of the mass and also the direction of the tagging thing. That is my thinking. I don't know if there's anyone here who has another, but that is my thinking.
The best local clusters are the large Magellanic Cloud, which you covered, and the small. And those are, if you look south, you can see those normally.
Yes, but he's talking about something else, like a cluster of galaxies.
Should I repeat his question?
Yeah, he's talking about the different things.
His question is, how can you use local constellations to find supercluster and supercluster complexes?
Yeah, those are like groups of groups of galaxies. Call them groups, and then their groups are called clusters. And the larger ones, superclusters and stuff. But I don't know. The only thing that I can get is just a gravitational interaction between your group and the other ones. So.
And Mr. Malibubu is asking if you can share the slides to their emails.
Oh, all right. Oh,
Share what?
so
Presentation to them.
I don't know how we are going to do that.
But it goes on our website.
Sorry?
The presentation is recorded and goes on our website. They can just access the website in a few days' time.
Oh, yes. Yes, no.
Hello.
Oh, yes. Oh, they will be, this recording will be uploaded on the Astronomical Society of Botswana website. Do you have in your opening, you cited interest in culture and astro. My question is, how much is local with global warming is direct?
Someone has another question.
Oh, I don't understand this question.
Can I read them out?
How much has global warming directed the timing of?
The question is, how has global warming changed the timing of cultural events as using stars as a timepiece? I don't think global warming change has any effect on the timings. So it hasn't changed anything.
Oh, yes. No. Yes. No. I agree with what's your name?
Raza.
Oh, Yaraza.
Yes.
Oh, nice to meet you. Yes, I agree with that. There's no dependence between the two. How does a formal system with 3 stars maintain? Why is this really? Oh, Oh, thank you very much, Aman. I can see your question. Three body problem. Well, the formalot A and B are very, very close to each other. So they are like a little two body problem on their own. And the C, which is a bit further away, is orbiting the two of them. So it is not a, it is still a three body problem, but it is a simplified three body problem. Let me, there is a, which ones? Oh, my understanding is that the stars in any constellation are at the hands. Oh yeah. No, you are very right, Ndaba. Ndaba is speaking a bit to the use of the word, is it a local constellation? That is very true. We can't look at the constellation and think there are stars which are near each other. They may be extremely separated from each other. Yes, you are very right, Randab, because but what I think the asker of the question, Aman, was trying to say is our local group, not the local constellation. You are very right. Thank you for the presentation. From what I've researched a bit, the stories or myths behind stars seems to be related. For example, Orion. Mudisa here is saying that Orion is also called Mutsumi. Oh, Lady Mtsatsa. Mutsumi Lady Mtsatsa. Oh, this one I didn't know. Okay, thank you very much, Mudisa. And Naka, thank you very much, Aman. Who wants to know if Naka is an animal or a human being? Naka is a horn. We call a horn lenaka. So that is the meaning of Naka. It is not an animal. So I think we still have more. We have more. Oh, I don't think. I don't think. Oh. Oh, right. I don't know if
Steve, that was Steve saying that there's space for the September weekend if anyone is interested.
Oh yeah. That is why I lingered here a bit. Oh, those who might be interested, there is a space. Oh, there is space on the September Stargazing Week that Harold mentioned. Feel free to contact us on 71 or 267 71 400 108. Oh, thank you very much. The number is 71 400 108. Don't. Oh no, Tsuna is not a black hole. It is just a star. Like I was saying, we don't know if the debris around it is because of a collision or it is a formation of stars I mean planets. Yes. It's yes. This a three-body system in the formal system. It's very nice because the other one is very far. So it is like the one which is far is orbiting one body, but that body consists of formal lot A and B, which are very close to each other. So mathematically, it is nicely solvable. It is nicely solvable. But if it were a bit closer, then you'd have some bit of trouble. Black hole. I don't think we have a wants to know what we call a black hole in Setswana. I don't know. I don't think we have a name for it. Yes, the reason why I'm laughing is because when I translate it to Setswana, it becomes a very nasty word. Nasty sound. I'm not quite sure. Maybe we have a name for mass in you see now they're calling it a moment. Now this is it's not a no. I don't know if we have a name for mass in Setswana, but you can find a few names of planets which are in Sesotho. I can't remember nicely what they are, but they are those names for planets like Jupiter and the rest of them. But in Setswana, I wouldn't know. Now this one say, no, let us not go to the black hole in Setswana. They are now typing things. Oh, we call our we call Earth Lehati. But I also like or prefer to call any planet Lehati, especially the ones that are like rocky planets. So Venus can be a Lehati, but this Earth of ours is also a Lehati. And it sounds very close to Hebrew because we call it Lehati. In Hebrew, it's Eret. Lehati, Eret. Someone is sharing a bit. Who's this one? Mukaba Musala. Crux is sometimes called a pride or a pride of lions or lionesses. And the pointer stars, alpha and beta, are referred to as male lions chasing a pride. Oh, so this would be what? Oh, the Southern Cross. Oh, I see. That's nice. That's nice. Oh, the pointers are the tuto tse di na magadi. And the Southern Cross is the tutwa tse di tonanyana. Oh, thank you very much, Aman. Monaka is saying something. Massive, what?
The nervous catching elements like iron, gold, and oxygen. Why is it why Elon Musk is exploring space?
No, you want to get me in trouble. No, I will not. Yes, but that is a very important thing. And even to people who are in the legal profession and stuff like that, we need to see how the legal framework is concerning mining of these things, asteroids and stuff, because there are a lot of minerals there, and we have a thank you for Mr. Hester, and oh, this one is just laughing. Oh, laughing. Oh, okay. No, thank you very much. I don't know if we have any more.
Can I ask one question?
Yes.
I'd just like to know, where is this knowledge, the Tswana knowledge of the stars, where is that kept? Who keeps that knowledge?
Oh, that is why we actually wanted to go into that research.
Because I've
Bokushata.
never heard what you've told us tonight. I've never heard that sort of thing. I just wondered where it comes from.
Oh, yes. No, but it is a bit obscure. But
Maybe you're making it up.
oh yeah, maybe I'm making it up, but I'm not. I don't know. Maybe I don't know if it is possible to have a little section when we post this thing to give a little references to a few of those. Sorry.
You can have a separate page.
Oh, that would be nice. That would be nice. Yes. Because I've seen a couple, mostly from historians in the 1800s.
You mentioned Kushata, Dr. Kushata's name. What is she doing? She and you doing on?
Yes. Dr. Kushata, Rasinga, and Dr. Fami and I, we hope to go around Botswana.
Yeah.
And look at the different cultures and how they view stars and try to document.
You must speak to Stephen O'Meara. Stephen's knowledge on the Basagwa's terminology for the stars and the constellations is wonderful.
Oh, yes.
Providing something.
Oh, yes. No, definitely. Yeah, it would add on to it. Yes.
Yeah, I must say the guidebooks, the night sky guidebooks, the South African one, the one you mentioned. There is a little bit of that. But then they are covering other languages.
Oh, yes.
Singuni.
Yes.
So they do have little snippets.
Yes.
What cultures, at least in South Africa.
Yes.
Call some of these constellations.
Yes.
Few people have answered Mr. Slater's questions. We know they're not made up because if you look at Stephen O'Meara's book, you will see that there are many references in there too. And Modi said that the way to pass knowledge in Botswana has always been the elderly telling children's stories. So the elderly have been our repository of knowledge.
But please do record.
Yeah, please do record
Research.
the start.
Still today, this kind of passing knowledge, especially in rural places. ASSA also has information on their website about ethnoastronomy.
I think think we're almost at 7:30.
Oh, thank you very much, Christian. Oh, wonderful. Yeah, but I think I've seen this one also. And there's also another good one from, I think, is it Kidumele? Tumo Kidumele. I think she was induced. She produced another one with in collaboration with a few other people. Nice one also, because they also cover things like Pitso ya Ngwedi or Pitso ya Pula, where that moon has a little ring around it. Yes. All right, now thank you very much for that one, Christian. I can't pronounce the same.
Steve, our battery is running a bit low and we've got a meeting to come.
Yeah, but I think we are done. Thank you very much, everyone. I will now make way for the chair to. Thank you very much.
Okay. No, thank you very much, Dr. Tshipa. I think that was one of a kind presentation. Yeah, we need to now actually properly document these. The project that he alluded to with colleagues at BUST, I think should give us something which all of us can refer to. And yeah, of course, Steve Omira was the first one to give the folklore, the Sesara folklore about stars. So no, thank you very much, Dr. Tshipa. Let's give a hand. I think this is actually a significant contribution to the indigenous knowledge of the heavens and how they are interpreted as perhaps all cultures have interpreted the heavens in one way or the other. So thank you very much. I think I would say this has been quite a successful one. So we'll get better at it as we go on. So I think some other time when it's appropriate, we'll have another of these hybrid meetings. So thank you, everybody. I think we have come to the end of our presentation, and I thank you for your attention. Good night.